can say is Pinterest and the Dollar Tree. Bad combination. What's up YouTube? Welcome back to Concept OT, where we customize, paint, and create. This is a little different. I'm actually hitting you guys with the night scene. I actually have to go to work tomorrow, but for some reason I just couldn't sleep. I have this design in my head. I actually just got a new phone case because I've broken my phone like, I don't know, a jillion times. So I figured I'll go ahead and put a case on it, and hopefully it won't happen again. Probably will, but at least I can say I put a case on it. So I was scrolling through Pinterest right now and updating my pins. If you guys don't know, I am on Pinterest, which is the same name, Concept OT, which is on all my social networks, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. I'm on all of them. So look for Concept OT and I'm there. Come find me. And as you guys know, it's Halloween time. So I'm trying to figure out what to do to make this boring phone case something I actually want to walk around with. And I think I actually just found it. And yeah, I pin a lot of stuff, but it's this guy right here. I think he'd make a cool phone case. What do you guys think? Yeah, I think that's the one. Let's take that. So a few takeaways from this, guys. Originally I tried to secure this with super glue. That didn't work at all. So I recommend using the E6000 or the Gorilla Glue as you see me use in this video. And if you're looking for ways to transfer this image to your phone case, there's a few ways to do it. First, I started tracing the outline of my phone on some regular old sheet of paper. Then, if you're a wannabe artist like me, you go ahead and freehand or freestyle whatever image you're trying to put on your phone case. Next, boys and girls, you want to flip that bad boy over and grab a number 2 pencil and start covering the backside of the image, creating instant tracing paper. Once you cut that image out, all you need to do is grab a ballpoint pen and go over your line. Now this is only going to work on rubber phone cases. And if you don't want to go through that house of madness, you can always put regular paper on the screen and trace it that way. I made other hot glue phone cases using parchment paper, so I'll be sure to link that video at the end of this one and in the description box below. Now that's better.
What's your favorite scary movie?
Hey, if you like this video, be sure to check out some of my other paintings and customs.